How miraculous Dubai is. All against the clock, redefining all we know about imagination and abilities. Explore Dubai Travel Guide to get the best out of your Dubai visit. This bustling city has over-the-top luxury lifestyle and modern architecture in the middle of the desert, has a diverse mix of which satisfies all tastes. No question, Dubai is the home of creative artificial. Dubai has the longest automated metro in the world at 75 km long. Stunning to know that the largest man-made island, the artificial island Dubai Palm, which contains 3 islands all off the coast of Dubai Palm, Jumeirah, Dera Island, and Palm Jebel Ali,